drums and the great griot of memory, storyteller of the soil and skies. Bob John, aka Bobby J the legend. Let the drums speak, let the ancestors rise. Bobby J, Bobby J, Bobby J. Good day, my kings and queens, my brothers, sisters, crew. Let me tell you a tale that's ancient, bold, and true. Before the ships, before the steel, before the ink dried on the scroll, East Anglia had a rhythm, and the Iceni held the soul. The Waffingers ruled and the Vikings came, but before that smoke and fire we had our name. Our gods were told, our dreams were forged, and blacksmith's flame and healer's torch. We danced, we fought, we loved, we bled, but we were never truly dead, until one day the earth would speak again.
I stepped on sacred ground, boots heavy with the mud. The sun kissed something shining, lightning from the blood. I bent and brushed the soil away, and what did I retrieve? 5 golden rings of royalty, hidden beneath the leaves. I took them to the museum, yeah, 45K I made. Fame and flashing TV time, oh how the crowd obey. You should remember me, don't let me go. You should remember me, deep in my soul. You should remember, yeah, I remember as the spirits flow. You should remember me. Wait, I am the warrior flame of Iceni's name. Those golden torches, not for profit, not for fame. My tribe forged them in 61 AD with sweat and song and fire. They carry our pain, our dreams, our burn, desire. That gold is blood, my daughter's cries, my people's fire that never dies. So listen well, you modern man, return the gold, if you still can. You should remember me, deep in the dust, money cannot be sold. It's written in stone, sung in the wind and buried in gold. You should remember, you should remember me. You should remember me. You should remember me. You